It's drip battle number 2 when you know we're getting it done. Get in my Discord. You already know what it is to submit samples. I don't know who done did this, but dang. We have a snare in here. Oh, don't tease me with a snare in here. You already know what's going down with this snare. Continue. This is almost another tonal sick hit. That's dope. Take that boy out. Put him in. Turn up the input on the sample. Gonna do a healthy cut at 169 naturally. Low tones with a phase. Compression. Now we're getting a little bit bassy. We're about to make wavetables over here. Filter of comb. Ooh, hold up. Cool. D sharp? Okay, I do kind of like that. Thing at the end. Boom, 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 boom. Nope. Slower, please, slower, like this. Try it. Okay. Yes, I like one of these. And we have succeeded. Dynamic pitch follow, edit, single no, process, normalize, yes, X fade edges, let's do it. We're also going to morph it and crossfade. This should be clean enough. Make sure there's no signs. If there is, we'll delete it. We're good. Boom. Let's move through it. That actually looks really nice. And lastly, the octave of 1,000 truths. And let's scrub. Turn that up. Turn on some multiband compression so we can kind of hear what's going on here. LFO level. Could do this. We can do voices, some detunage. We'll make another one mono later. Okay, more compressiones. 3, 2, 1, go!
telling me to get here quick.
16 minutes left, guys. Move them. Let them know. Different color. Fuck it, let's go. Export your tracks to SoundCloud and get them uploaded. Let's get it done. You already know what it is and what it ain't. Put them in the chat. We're going to listen to these right now and we'll see what's get it done. It's LMDC. About to go dubstep, I can feel it. Yeah, you could do 48. Nope. Nice. We got that nice side trans going on. That's nice. And yeah, it could be around 45 seconds. If it's 48 seconds, 50 seconds, it's fine. You know, you never know till you know it. So just get it done. All right, let's run this back one more time. know. Flip those light switches real quick. Next, we have Snasta. Hit us with some rhythm. Let's check. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. By the way, like the sample used, I heard it in here. Did you use it in the drop, LMDC? Please put it in the chat. Let me know. Let me know if you used it or how you used it in the drop. Thank you very much. Up next, Snas. Snasta!
Show me a move.
Hey! Whoa, no.
Yes. Come on.
Somebody get the pepper spray. Ooh! Hold on, yeah. Woo! Yes, see. Zack Attack. Let's see what you got.
Alright, listen to me. Mom, it's really serious.
I hear that snare though.
Get my controller back. I need it back. Right the fuck? Right? God damn!
Okay, nice, nice. We could have had a longer drop, that's for sure. But you gotta let me know if you made the basses out of these samples, because you have a lot of sound design in here. Let's check it. You make wavetables with these, man? This is pretty decent. Could have a little bit more energy, probably more layer stacking. The drums are kind of small. Lots of cool, crazy sounds, you know, really in the robotic transformer sphere right here. Time's up. We gotta export fast. Up next, we got a track called Brain Rot. This is Colium. Shit. Red. Yes, sir. Hold up. Hold up.
Video games are rotting my brain.
I know it.
Stop.
Video games are rotting my brain.
Stop.
That was Wookie. Akari is next. Whoa, look at the cover art. Let's go. Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up. That's a good use of 45 seconds, man. The one I made. Let's go. Oh, you know what it is. Got that color. Got that color. All right, guys. Final votes. The storm is settled. We had a close match. LMDC with 2. Snasta with 3. Kalium with 1. Akari with 2. The winner is Snasta. And truly, that was my favorite. Oh, go follow Snasta. He's up to something. Keep it real. Follow me on Twitch. And I'll see you guys later.